Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block and unblock people on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to the profile of the person you want to block. Now, tap on the three dots next to their profile. From the options, tap on block, then tap block again to confirm. That's it. The person is now blocked and won't be able to see your profile or contact you. Now, if you want to unblock someone, tap on the menu icon or go to your profile, Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Here, search for blocking and open it. You'll see a list of blocked people. Find the person you want to unblock and tap on Unblock next to their name. Tap Unblock again to confirm. And that's it. That's how you can easily block and unblock people on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.